Hi there. In what ways can lazy people make money? Yes, there is plenty of money out there to be made by all. In this video, I'm going to be discussing 7 profitable business ideas that lazy people can use to make money in 2023. When I talk about lazy people, I don't mean the kind of people who completely fold their hands and wait for everything to come to them. I mean those kind of people who prefer making money through not engaging in hard labor or using the most technical of skills, but still be able to make money. Those are the 7 business ideas I'm going to discuss in this video. And of course, under each of these ideas, I'm going to be detailing their advantage and also disadvantages. So watch the entire of this video for you to get novel ways in which lazy people can make money, or even ways through which you could look to make side hustle money in case you are engaging in full-time job. You are all much welcomed to the Money Daily YouTube channel. My name is Afagza Sifunam. So, the idea number 1 through which lazy people can make money is the business idea of delivery services. Look here, guys. People out there are engaging in shopping day in, day out. But also, a good number of people out there desire to buy some products, and yet they are very busy. Maybe because their full-time job is engaging them really hard. Maybe because their business is taking up a huge chunk of their time. Maybe because they have a new family member on place, so their full-time is engaged taking care of the new family member and stuff like that. Why not look to exploit delivery services to be the one to be buying, packaging, and delivering the required products to these people? And by the way, if you love shopping, this could be an awesome thing for you to engage in. You doing what you love, shopping, and getting paid for it, you might just end up making a good amount of money with this. You need to know that for this service, you need to be very, very honest, and also it's going to take you some time to build your brand. And most importantly, target repeat customers. It is repeat customers who are going to keep you in business. Take an example. There are those people out there, for example, who do shopping once a month, bi-monthly, you name it. In case you can lock, for example, 50 of those clients, be sure you're going to be in business, because at each regular interval, they're going to be reaching out to you for you to be able to assist them do a given business which involves delivery services, right? And then the second business idea which you could look to exploit is the idea of business resale system. You know what, guys? If you're a lazy person, chances are you don't want to engage in technical production, right? You want to get your hands on a finished product, right? And also in the same capacity, in the market, we have many people out there who want to consume a variety of finished products. Why not specialize? Specialize in the resale of a given product. This means that you need to have good knowledge on arbitrage of the market. In other words, information shortage in the market, in that you capitalize on where you can acquire a given product in bulk at favorable prices from a given point in place and sell it to the end users who require this product, and yet they don't know where to acquire it at a very cheap price, or even the convenience of you getting this product to them way overweighs the hassle of them going to acquire it at a cheaper price. In other words, you need to last, for example, with manufacturers, last with, for example, huge wholesalers, and then be targeting endpoint retailers and also consumers of this particular product for you to be selling to them. And of course, for this, it's going to require you to do a good market research for you to understand multiple sources of that particular product, and also to understand the consumption habits of different consumers out there for you to be able to pitch a given product to them. And just to give you an example, let's take an example, for example, ladies' hairs. Okay, take an example, for example, a given type of weave. Maybe ladies like a given type of weave. Why not purchase that particular kind of weave in bulk and then sell to different ladies out there at a given margin, you might end up making good amount of money and even have repeat clients. What do you think about that business idea? And then the third business idea which I want to discuss with you is the idea of you running endorsement services / influencing through also social media platforms out there. Look here, guys, there is nothing wrong with endorsing a given product, more so if you have used that product, for example, and you've seen is a good product. And also you could look to exploit your social media following, your social media status, for you to be able to run different influencing campaigns through social media with the aim of assisting a given brand or even a given product to lock in sales through making sales to a given target audience, more so your specific followers. Guys, we are all living in a crazy technological boom area whereby there is a lot of happening in social media platforms and also lots of happening on just numbers online. Why not utilize the numbers you have online for you to be able to make money? And by the way, guys, influencers out here are paid good amount of money, whether through being paid directly, managed through agreements, or even through having a given duration of contract products in form of part of payment. You might just be able to make good amounts of money or even receive awesome products which you can even resell through your influencing role. And for this, you need to understand one thing. You need to build credibility. So if you are, for example, your endorsement agency hasn't locked in some good amount of business which they have been able to successfully turn into sales, or even if you don't have a good number of social media following, you need to build on that first, because you need, of course, to have quite a lot of social media following. And then you need to be making your posts unique and interesting for you to be able to engage target audiences regularly, so a brand can see, for example, you have that muscle to engage audiences. And also you need to focus on a specific niche that describes your social media account. To give you an example, your social media account could, for example, be in the business niche. It could be, for example, in forex niche, in food niche, you name it. But you need to target a given niche for you to be able to be in business, and even for brands out there to see and to know the value you're going to be bringing on board. Right? And then, guys, the fourth business idea which a lazy person can engage in is the idea of affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is essentially modern time sales person job. In other words, gone are the days where a person could go on the streets, for example, to sell or hawk a given product. Right now, businesses, with the evolution of technology, they are also facilitating people to assist them sell their products through sharing specific links which kind of like back tie to a specific person, and in the process that person has themselves a given product end up getting a commission. So if you're a lazy person, you could look, for example, to exploit affiliate marketing with the hope of you making money. And also, just like influencing, affiliate marketing is also partly a game of numbers. So the higher the numbers you get, or the higher the traffic you're getting to a given site, to a given kind of material which you have put affiliate marketing links in, the higher the chances of you getting affiliate commission through people clicking on those links and even ending up converting that into a given sales. And for you to understand, guys, is that you require to market products or even services of specific owners, in that you're not selling your own product, but you're relying on commissions for you to be able to make money. So what are the advantages of affiliate marketing? The good thing about affiliate marketing, given you don't involve your own product, is that there is low risk and also no initial investment required of you. And also it is a hands-off business, in that once you share the links and you are driving traffic to that particular point or source of information people are looking for, chances are these links are going to be perpetually engaged on by the viewers over and over. So it is a hands-off kind of business, but also it gives you some good income. And of course, as I mentioned, the only con of this is that also you require a good traffic for you to be able to really make money with affiliate marketing, right? And then the fifth business idea which you could look to exploit is the idea of vlogging or blogging. Maybe you're a lazy person, you don't like to do hard labor, or even you don't like to engage the most technical of skills for you to achieve a given outcome, but you like for example to write, or even you like for example to pose in front of camera. Why not start your own blog or even do vlogging through YouTube? This is a form of content creation, whereby blogging is essentially you writing and sharing with the world, why vlogging is you essentially sharing with the world how your day-to-day is, or even to share a given kind of lifestyle. Guys, you could also make money through blogging or vlogging, and more so in case you are a likable person, chances are you're gonna build an audience real quick. Why not partake in vlogging or blogging and hopefully end up making some good amount of money? But for this also you need to understand that it's gonna take you consistency, it's gonna take you creation of good content, it's gonna take you engaging with your audience in the most optimal of ways for you to be able to build and grow an audience. So this doesn't mean that it is a get rich quick scheme. It's gonna take you some good amount of time for you to meet relevant requirement for monetization out there. But once you are monetized and you have the numbers, chances are you're gonna be making good amount of income, right? And then the sixth business idea which a lazy person could engage in is the business idea of partaking in stock photos business. Look here guys, maybe you have a camera, maybe you have a good phone, you love to capture different scenarios out there, to capture maybe nature, to capture different places you go out there, to capture awesome buildings out there. Why not convert this into business? You might be wondering, how? Look here guys, there is a given business called stock photos business, and in fact there is sites out there, for example Pixabay, just to mention a few, who actually allow for creators out there to create accounts and even post free to use photos, free to use videos which can be used by different users on the platform. And the good thing is that also such platforms most of the times have premium users, in that those users who pay a given monthly fee for them to have exclusive access to these photos or even videos. Guys, you might be able to make money through posting most regularly on these stock photos and also stock videos websites out there, in that you could be paid, for example, through the monthly membership people out there pay. Or even so, it could get more exciting in case your skills are top notch and yet you don't like sweating really, because brands could reach out for you to you specifically request to use a given photo you posted, or even requesting for you to create a given kind of photo for them. And guys, with this you could even end up making 7 figures or even 6 figures through stock photos which you're making, or even through requests by brands out there to assist them capture photos in given settings, right? And then the seventh and last idea I want to discuss with you is the business idea of becoming a podcaster. Look here guys, maybe you like to speak a lot, you love to talk about different topics a lot, maybe you love reading and internalizing information, and yet you're just lazy, you don't like partaking in hard labor, right? Why not start your own podcast? Podcast is essentially like an audio program, just like being a radio host. The only difference is that with podcast, you share content which listeners can listen multiple times, and also they can subscribe to your podcast and be able to get or catch up on interesting topics regularly. For this also you need to be consistent for you to be able to build an audience. But with a podcast, you could also be able to make money over time, more so in case your podcast is awesome and you discuss topics which are interesting to the masses out there and topics which address key issues in the society. What do you think about these 7 ideas? Do you think these ideas which lazy people can partake in, or even do you think these ideas, for example, which you could look to exploit as a side hustle for you to be able to make money? Thanks a lot for watching this video. I look forward to share with you other awesome videos next time. Bye bye and you all take care.